Hello, I am delighted you found this video. As you saw in the title, Mercari has launched new features lately, such as no selling fees, and the practical option to import one, several, or all your listings from eBay or Depop. It is a nice feature if you cross-post your items. It makes the process so much easier, with no need to upload the pictures, create titles or descriptions, and select most of the required listing options. However, it is not perfect. I am telling you there is a glitch after the import is completed. But do not worry. I'm going to show you right now how to do it. Stay until the end and you will get it for sure. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe so that I can keep creating content with tips for you to grow your online business. Thanks. You first need to go to Mercari, then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Do not click List an Item, just your profile picture once and then My Listings. There you'll see that new feature, a white button that says Import Listing. Click it. Now we need the URL link from eBay or Depop. Just copy it from your dashboard, or however you access your items on those platforms. I am copying it from the email I get once I list an item on eBay. Go back to Mercari and paste it. Make sure to select the second option, just a few, if you only want to import one or a couple of items. The first option is there to import all your listings at once. I have not tried that, but it does not seem very practical if you have hundreds or thousands of listings up. If anyone tries that option, please share your experience in the comments. We would love to hear how it went. Okay, let's get back on track. The link you paste here could be short or long. It does not matter to Mercari. It'll work either way. I am importing just one item for this video, but you can add more at once if you want. After that, you have two shipping options. How will you ship? And who will pay for the shipping? I always use Mercari standard shipping. Their buyer's shipping protection has backed me up a couple of times when packages were lost in transit. Also, I do not do free shipping, so my option here is always buyer. Finally, click on Import Listing and wait for about a minute until it shows a new screen that says one item imported. And that is the easy part. Here comes the glitch. The listing has been saved as a draft, and we need to complete the process. Click on Go to your imports. It'll take you to a new screen. Focus on the drafts section on the left. It says, Ready to list. Go there. There is your listing saved as a draft. You need to go to the drop-down option on the right and click Edit. It should take you to your draft. Nevertheless, if it just comes as an empty screen, do not panic. Just hit refresh and it'll show up correctly. Here is where you see glitches from Mercari. It has messed up my brand, color, and shipping options for 99% of the imports I have done. And I am close to 100 now. Just check everything, make sure it is what you want, verify the price, and that's it. Hit List at the bottom. And that is all you have to do. Once you have done it twice, you will see it takes 1 minute to import a listing to Mercari. Remember, you always have the option to import your entire eBay or Depop store at once. Let me know in the comments if you have done this before or what you think about Mercari versus eBay, please. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe, my friend, and see you in the next video.